Starting off with your 4-poster bed. There we go. The slats fit in. Lovely, lovely. Collect all the slats. That'll do. There's the bed without the slats. Now the next thing to do is take apart those bits. Unscrew those. It's clipped together and screws in. Just like that. The pliers will do. Undo the screws at the top. I didn't use the wood filler in the end. It acts a bit like glue, makes it more difficult, but you can screw them in and screw them out to make it tighter with wood glue. Wood filler. These just pull in. Some of them have this extra piece here, but they don't need it. I've had it for a year without needing those extra pieces. When you have these little jobbies, they fit in. Hold on. Okay, one-handed. They fit in like that, and then you do the hand screw up by hand, and then you tighten it up using the pliers. I'm going to lend you or an adjustable spanner. You might need some new nuts. So there are some screws to strengthen it. It's a good idea. Okay, thank you. You'll need to put these in there to make it work.